slime school. Miss Cray Cray said it was going to be a big surprise. But where is she? Yeah, I know. I think she's late. Where are you going, Ellie? I'm going to check on my slime that I made last time. Ellie, be careful. You're making a mess. Oopsie. It looks kind of weird. Yeah, it has like all these little bubbles on it. Touch it. It's really hard. Whoa! It turned pink. It's like a hard jelly slime. This is so cool, Ellie. Look. Whoa, I can see some of the rainbow stars. Whoa. Super clear. I want to make a super cool slime. But you can't. The teachers are not here yet. Well, I'll just hurry up and make a quick one. It's your final. Okay. Oh, I will. What in the world are you doing? I'm trying to get the food color. I don't think this is a good idea. What's the worst I can have? All I'm going to do is get some ingredients. Naiah, are you okay? I think I broke my funny bone. At least I avoided total disaster. I don't think so. What are you talking about? You might want to take a look. Ah! Did I do this? You sure did. You're gonna be in trouble. You're gonna be in trouble. Ellie, this is no time for jokes. Please help me clean this up. I didn't make the mess. Why should I have to clean up? Because you are a very nice sister? I'm not that nice. Listen, if you help me clean up, I'll clean your room for a month. What about your Elsa LOL? I just got her for Christmas. I don't want her forever. I just want to borrow her for a month. Fine. Sorry, Elsa, you're gonna have to go with her for a little bit. But you'll be home back with me soon. Here she goes. Oh, she's just so adorable. I just love this Elsa doll. Well, a deal's a deal. Let's start cleaning.
Good morning, class! What has happened to slime school?
Oh, her car.
What has happened to my beautiful classroom? Oh no! What happened? Someone please explain this to me. Ellie, do you have an explanation for this?
You might want to talk to Naiah.
Naiah? What do you have to say about all of this?
Well, I was trying to make slime, then I kind of fell, and I kind of knocked everything over.
Oh my goodness. Come on. Let's get you up. Oh, all right, let's get you up too. Oh. Listen, you definitely can't do that. You girls have to wait for me to make slime, or you'll have disasters like this, and you'll get hurt. Are you feeling okay? Did you hurt yourself?
Well, I did break my funny bone.
Oh, that's the worst thing. I hate breaking my funny bone. Let's see if we can get it fixed. Hands up. I know a cure for this. Miss Cray Cray can always fix broken funny bones. Here we go. Oh, she's got her funny back. Good. Your funny bone is fixed. Now, girls, I think it's time to work to get this cleaned up because I have a great surprise for slime school. Now that we've cleaned up that disaster, look what I brought to class.
Yay!
I got Glam Glitter LOL dolls.
But this isn't toy school, this is slime school.
One of the best things about slime is you can be inspired by anything. And today, we're gonna be inspired by this glam glitter, because I'm glamorous. Okay, all right, here you go. Here's one for you.
Thank you.
And one for you. All right, girls, open your Glam Glitter LOLs. Okay, girls, which Glam Glitter LOLs did you get?
I got Naiah and Elli. I got the Also Wear Queen.
Oh, these are great for inspiration to make slime. These are going to be fabulous. Okay, so the first person that's going to pick their ingredients for their LOL inspired slime is Naiah. Naiah, I want you to tell me what kind of glue would you like first?
I would like some clear glue, please.
Okay, here is the clear glue. Okay, would you like to use a color?
Yes, because I have yellow.
Yellow's an interesting choice. Here's yellow. Why don't you come up here and pick the rest of your ingredients for your LOL Neon Cutie slime?
No, I don't want to go like that. Okay. I'm gonna add the glitter. I did it, it'll be so fun.
Okay, Ellie, what color glue do you want?
I'll take clear.
Okay, perfect. It's already at the table, so you can just use it with Naiah. Would you like a color?
Can I have red, please?
Red. Excellent choice. Here's your red. Here you go. Come up and choose your ingredients. I'm going to pour your glue here.
Okay.
And why don't you make your slime? Wait. Don't mix color with your hand. If you mix with your hand, it'll stain your hand. You can use this little fork. There we go. Okay.
Ow!
Uh-oh. Well, it is kind of a pretty accident, if I do say so myself. Okay, girls, time's up. It's time to check out your LOL surprise slime. Ooh, look at this neon cutie one. Let's take a look and see if it looks just like neon cutie. Ooh, I'm seeing all of neon cutie's colors here. I see the yellow, the pink, the teal, and a tiny bit of orange. And what does that say? Does that say neon cutie?
Yeah, I spelled her name.
Oh, this is fantastic. Now it's time to test your slime. Okay. Whoa! This neon cutie slime is super stretchy. Whoa! Let's see if I can stretch. Wow! Whoa! Look at all that glitter in this neon cutie. Oh, it's nice and stretchy. So we mix the glitter in. Oh, it's super sparkly too. And I like the letters. Let's get some more sparkle on here. I love lots of sparkle. Beautiful. Now let's see how it stretches. Whoa! This is really good stretchy slime. Okay, time to see how it cleans up. Oh, it cleans up really well. Time for the bounce test. Oh, very good bounce. Let's see your bubble.
I want to put neon cutie in my bubble.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Oh, that was a pretty decent bubble. It was a little sad, but you made a good effort. Now it's time for the queen. Oh, look at this one. Lots of beads. Oh, they're popping everywhere. I love this. You have black glitter, silver glitter, and red beads, just like the queen. Look, beautiful. Wow! You did a super bubble. Whoa, whoa, whoa! But it's the queen's turn. And all that pretty glitter. Ooh, even black glitter. I don't think I've used black glitter in a long time, and I'm loving how it looks. Oh, I just love these beads. Oh, some of them are popping. How about we do a super stretch and see where it goes? Ooh. Super stretch. Ah! Let's see how it cleans up. Cleans up mighty good. Uh-oh. Some of these beads are popping out all over the place. Might need to use more glue next time to keep them together. But now it's time for a bounce test. Whoa! Whoa! All right, now I would like to see a bubble. Almost. Whoa! Very nice bubble. Oh, and it's a double bubble. Neon Cutie and the Queen Slime. Which one do you prefer? Naiah's Neon Cutie or Elli's the Queen? I love them both. Let's see. It's time for a grade. Okay, it's time for your grade. For Neon Cutie Slime, I enjoy the slime. I think the color is very pretty. My only issue with your slime is I think the neon would have shown a lot better if you had used just clear slime. And I also think you were ingenious spelling out Neon Cutie. I'm going to give you a B+. Now it's time for your grade. I love the queen slime. It's very ingenious. The black glitter with the pinkish red slime really stands out. My main issue with your slime is the beads. Your formula was a little off, leaving the beads popping everywhere. I mean, I'm stepping on beads as we speak. I'm giving you a B+ as well.
Aw.
To get an A+ in my slime school, you have to have perfect slime. And today's slimes were good, but not perfect. Can you make a perfect slime? What grade would you get? And make sure you subscribe to Naiah vs. Elli so you don't miss any of our slime schools. Okay, who wants to take a field trip to the slime factory?
Me.